In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome News language. If the articles on your Chrome New tab or Google News feed are showing up in the wrong language, the fix usually isn't in just one place. Your news language is shaped by three things working together: Google News settings, Chrome's language preferences, and your Google account language. I'll walk you through each one so they all align and your feed updates correctly. First, start with Google News, because this has the biggest impact on what you see. Open your browser and go to news.google.com. In the top right, click the settings icon. Choose language and region, then pick the language you want your news in and save your changes. This directly controls the language of the articles and headlines in your Google News and Discover style feeds, including the stories on a new Chrome tab. If you also see a region option, choose the place that best matches where you want your news from, because region can influence which outlets and languages appear. Next, adjust Chrome's own language settings on your computer. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, and go to Settings. Find the Languages section. If your preferred language isn't listed, add it. Then set it as your preferred language by moving it to the top, or choose to display Chrome in that language. Chrome may ask you to restart. Go ahead and relaunch the browser so the change fully applies. This helps Chrome prioritize content, suggestions, and some feed elements in your chosen language, and it also updates the browser interface itself. Finally, update your Google account language so all Google services are consistent. Go to myaccount.google.com, click Personal Info, find the language section, and switch it to your preferred language. This setting feeds into personalization across Google, including your news recommendations, search results, and other services tied to your account. If your news language still isn't changing, here are the usual culprits. You might have changed Chrome's language but not Google News, which is the primary source for the feed content. Or your Google account language is still set to something else, which can override what you expect. Location and region also matter. If your region is set differently in Google News, you may continue to see content in another language. Aligning all three settings, Google News, Chrome, and your Google account, typically resolves the issue. After updating, give it a moment, refresh the page, and you should see your feed settle into the language you chose.